How to get glowing skin at home. Clear and beautiful skin is one of the main elements of a person's beauty. Healthy skin helps you feel beautiful as well. There are thousands of skin and beauty care products that promise to give you clear and glowing skin. Instead of relying on these products, you can try some simple and easy home remedies to improve the overall health and appearance of your skin. Here are 4 easy steps to get glowing skin at home. Turmeric. Turmeric is an excellent antiseptic and skin lightening agent that helps minimize scars and other marks. Make a paste by mixing equal amounts of turmeric powder and gram flour with a little water or milk. Apply it evenly on your skin and leave it on until it dries. Wash it off with lukewarm water, scrubbing your skin gently in a circular motion. Follow this once a week to lighten your skin tone and remove scars. Aloe Juice. Aloe juice has many benefits for the skin. It has antibacterial properties that help kill bacteria that cause acne, and can also help to heal scars. It's also a great natural skin moisturizer. Extract the gel from an aloe leaf. Apply the gel on your face using a cotton ball. Allow it to dry on its own for about half an hour, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Mint. The main ingredient in mint is menthol, which has cooling and soothing properties that help keep the skin healthy and glowing. Put 1 teaspoon of mint powder and 1 tablespoon each of plain yogurt and Fuller's Earth in a bowl. Set it aside for half an hour, then stir to get a smooth paste. Apply the mixture on your face and neck. Leave it on until it dries naturally. Lemon. Lemon is one of the best ingredients that you can use to promote clear skin. The citric acid present in lemon helps keep the skin clear, and its vitamin C content helps reduce dark spots. Apply fresh squeezed lemon juice to your entire face and neck. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. After this, rub cucumber slices on your skin to soften and moisturize it. Do this daily or every other day. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe this channel for more videos.